How to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of making your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Instagram account, and here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. So just click on it and you'll be redirected to your profile. Now over here, you'll be able to see when you click on edit profile and write down any bio, they'll only ask you to write the characters of 150. So that's the limit. In order to remove the limit, what you have to do is switch your profile into a business account. So let me show you how you can convert your profile into a business profile. So click on these three horizontal lines and then you'll be redirected to the settings and activity. Scroll all the way down till you find the section of for professionals. So click on account type and tools. So you'll be redirected to account type and tools. So click on switch to professional account, and here just click on continue, and then you have to write down that what best describes you. You can write down, for example, artist, and then you can either display it on profile or not, that's your choice, and then click on done. And now here you have to tell if you are a creator or not. If you're a creator, select this. If you run a business, you can click on this, then click on next. And now these changes are for your safety settings. You can just change anything like advanced comment filtering or unwanted message request, and then click on OK. And now you have to set up your professional account. You can just set up as you want. You can complete your profile, get inspired, get meta verified, grow your audience, or introduce yourself. So after that, now you can be able to see that here it's a business account. So just click on edit profile. You will be redirected to your profile, and over here you can type down any bio that is greater than 150 characters, and Instagram would allow that. So that is basically how you can make a bio of longer than 150 characters on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.